Hello from Slovenia again. I will play with this waterfall cup that I have for a few years. It's from Spontaneous Creations by Brian. I don't know if he still sell those, but you know, this is how it looks. And I have some colors that I really love together. I have Iridescent Precious Gold by Pebeo, Winsor Newton Olive Green Pale. This is Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. This is Greenish Blue. This is Cobalt Turquoise, and this is a mixture of Precious Gold and olive green, normal olive green, and I have black and white, and I will layer this. I will add some black and white in the first chamber, and I will let this sit for a little bit. And I want some of this greenish blue and iridescent blue green and some black here in the second one. And I will do some white and gold, all of the colors in the last one. Maybe I have too much white on the bottom. I will add some black here. You know what, I will go once more and I will travel here in the middle because I like that much more. I wanted to finish here that I can tilt this off because the end is always something that I kind of don't like, so yeah. I have a ton of paint. Kind of want to stretch this out. Okay, kind of like this composition. Just one more tilt. Yeah, I'm happy now. Yeah, I like it. I really do. Kind of wonder how this will dry. But I like it. Don't worry about all the paint. I will scrape it and use it for another project or something. Kind of like it this way the most, I think. So let me take it down for a close-up. So here she is dry and I really like it now. I kind of like the flow. There is some shimmer, and this iridescent blue-green shines through. It's hard to show on camera, of course, like always, but I like it now. I like this neutral look now, and this is probably my go-to orientation for this piece. So yeah, I'm happy with this one. So this was it for today. Thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye.